Hey guys, Nick here again with Vena, and guess what? It's Pixel 4 week, and we have got the Pixel 4 and Pixel 4 XL for you, and we're gonna box them right here. I'm personally excited because I'm a Pixel 3 user. I've always been a Pixel user since the first one, so I'm trying to decide on whether I should upgrade or not. So first, let's unbox the Pixel 4. And all the Pixels come in 3 different colors. You can get just black, this one, like this one. You can get clearly white, and Oso Orange. Oso Orange is limited though. So yeah, this is the box. Got a cute little picture on the back of your phone. All right, let's open it up. Phone out. There's the pretty phone. As you can see, they added, oh, it's in this clear wrapping. So you can see they added another lens to the camera. Yeah, that's pretty. It's very. So the edges are kind of matte, and the back is glossy. Very cool. I like it. So let's keep opening it up. Just set that right there so you can look at it. And you open up, you got instructions and a little pin to take out your SIM card. You get your adapter in here. So that's your USB to USB-C adapter. And you get a USB-C cable and your brick charger. It's basically just like the past Pixels, USB-C fast charging, which I love. So yeah, that's that. Next, let's grab the Pixel 4 XL. And what's cool about that is we did actually get the Oso Orange color. Look at that. It's got that cute picture again on the back with the Oso Orange. So cute. All right, let's unbox it. All right, it's in the plastic wrap. Throw that aside. Look at that color. I would definitely, okay, I might get this phone just because of this color. This is really cool. This comes with the same stuff, I'm pretty sure. It's probably got, yep, all the same stuff. It's got your cable, adapter, and your brick is in that little section. Cool. So let's dive into features. Man, I really like this orange. It is sharp. So one of the big reasons, kind of like the iPhone 11 Pro or iPhone 11 that you would want to upgrade is the camera. So now this has a 16 megapixel telephoto lens that can go down to a 2.4 f-stop. Basically, in layman's terms, you can take low light pictures really well. It lets a lot more light in, which is awesome. So basically, if you're in a situation, which most of the time you find yourself in a low light situation, this can take really good photos. You can even take pictures of the stars. With my Pixel 3, I always had to do night mode, and you had to like hold it up there and let it process. And it came out with an okay picture, but I can't wait to try this out and see how it looks. Also, you can adjust highlights and shadows while you're taking the picture, which is kind of really cool. I think that's a really cool feature. So apparently they made the portrait mode even better, which I love the portrait mode on my Pixel 3. I don't even know how they improved it, but they did, and I can't wait to see it in action. The real nice thing about having the telephoto lens is you can take photos from high-res photos from far away, and you will not lose any detail. It's just going to be crisp and clear. Okay, so these both are going to have a 90 hertz display, which is going to make this phone seem way smoother, even make the processes that this phone does seem faster and crisper. So that's exciting. The Pixel now has face unlock, and it also has motion sensing, so it enhances the gestures and stuff like that. You can like wave and all that. But you can now unlock it with your face. No more, as you can see, we don't have the fingerprint circle anymore. It unlocks with face recognition, which is really cool. So now you can access your phone even faster. So that's basically all the new features for the Pixel 4 and Pixel 4 XL. I'm pretty excited to try this camera out, which we're gonna do in this upcoming video where we do a shootout with the iPhone 11 Pro and the Pixel 4, just to compare cameras and features and stuff like that. We'll see where each one lands. All right, next let's talk about our Vena case that we carry for these specific phone models. We have the V-Commute, and this is kind of our flagship case. It's actually military grade drop tested, very protective. while being a wallet case. So you can actually put cards, that's my Samsung card, and I have a card under there. But you can hold up to 2 or 3 cards in there, and it's very convenient. You can put cash in there, you can put your ID in there, and it's got a magnetic flap. So, yeah. So what's cool is this case has corner guard. Most of our cases have this feature. It's basically an air pocket in each corner, and it kind of works as a shock absorber for impacts on the corners. Very cool, and that's why it passed military grade drop testing with flying colors. Very protective, very convenient. So let's see what it looks like with it on. There you go. I mean, for being a wallet case, it doesn't add too much bulk. It's super convenient. Just grab your cards and go. That's my SA card. And then also this magnetic flap, which secures your cards, works as a stand. So you just roll that up and boom. Let's put it on the Pixel 4. There you go. I love this look. It's kind of got like a metallic look, brushed aluminum look on the edges. And then right here, if it's not showing up on the camera, it's carbon fiber. Really cool, sleek look. Yeah, it's got the same size pocket. Also, you can do stand. And you can use the stand in different ways. You can also fold it in like that, get a little different angle. It's pretty cool. So yeah. You're probably wondering right now, well, with all the cards and magnetic flap, is this gonna allow the phone to charge wirelessly? It is. So basically what you gotta do, you got our lovely Pixel wireless charger right here. You just open the flap and see I have 2 credit cards in here. It's still gonna work, no problem. See, there you go, it's charging. The only thing that will hinder it from charging properly is if you have like the Chase Sapphire, which I know is a metal card. So if you have a metal card, that's definitely gonna block it. But any other plastic credit card, no problem at all. Charge all day. Well, that's gonna do it for our Pixel 4 and Pixel 4 XL unboxing and our Vina V Commute. What a great all-around case. You get a wallet, you get a stand, and you get military-grade drop protection. What else could you ask for? Be sure to come back, check back later for our iPhone 11 Pro and our Pixel 4 camera shootout. It's gonna be a good one.